What up, y'all? BVF Collection back at it again with another unboxing, to no surprise. But today we got ourselves a very special unboxing because this package is a freaking gift. A freaking gift from the homie Joseph online. Shout out to Joseph. He freaking bought this from a girl named Karen. And freaking steal. Right here, we're about to unbox the Kanye t-shirt in a size large. In very near dead stock condition for $90. But for me, for free. Again, huge shout out to Joseph. Freaking amazing guy. Funny little story. I kept trying to deny it. I was like, no, I don't want it. I don't need a gift. It's okay. Homie had my address and said, nope, you getting no matter what. He's sending it. Oh my god, here it is. Oh, the fabric already feels amazing. We're just gonna. Okay, I love this part with freaking XXXTentacion. Okay. Oh, the size large, perfect size. Okay, we gotta open it up. Wow, this thing is mint. Look at this thing, and they run oversized, so large is perfect for me. Oh, dude, amazing. Remember another X tattoo. No, X tattoos. I love this part. It basically just shows that, hey, it's the next piece. When I'm on the way, X hold the gates. Very good quality. No cracking, no nothing. Let's look at those tags again. Season 6. Easy blank. Looks like there's a tag right there too. It's interesting, worth noting. Yeah, very good quality. I love the feeling of it. Let's look at that wash tag. Ooh. Ready? When you watch this, guys? Ready? Yeezy, motherfucking Yeezy. Shout out Kanye. As you can see, he wears this t-shirt a lot in the Skins album release party. This is what he was mainly wearing. She wanna give you the cookie. This is the only piece out of the three, the short sleeve, the long sleeve, and then the hoodie is the only one with this design on it. So that's something worth noting. As well as this little thing in the middle. Turns out that's part of all of them. I thought that was just like a flaw, like a minor factory flaw. Nope. All of them look like that. But yeah, really high quality cookie if you ask me, you know what I'm saying? Definitely. Very happy with this and extremely surprised that this is a freaking gift. Wow. Again, shout out freaking Joseph for this awesome freaking t-shirt. You the homie. Appreciate you. Thank you guys for all watching. And I'm about to wear this, motherfucker. So, farewell.